Yeah, paper. Can we rip it? Want to rip it? You love shredding. Oh, what's in there?
What is it, Liam? What is it? Is it a book? Is it a book?
Oh, the little bunny. Oh, you love these books. The little bunny's name is Clover. Her tummy fur feels smooth all over. Oh,
Is Seamus in here?
her silky ears, her carrot. Oh my goodness, what a wonderful bug.
Oh, look.
Bunny. Oh, you like that book?
Very nice. Oh my goodness. Look.
Here's something else.
You like that, Liam?
Do you want to rip these a little bit? Do you want to rip this paper? Oh. Oh, that's so nice. What's that? Oh.
Is that the bunny?
Oh, look at
Is that the bunny?
these.
What's that?
Do you know what it says?
Whoa.
North Shore, Kauai, Hawaii, J&M.
Oh.
You were just there in J&M or Jimmy Mel. Oh my gosh, Jack and Millie, toddler boys, jeans. How cute are those?
Just as well, because he's after blowing at the knees in his second pair.
Love those.
Thanks, Jimmy and Mel.
Oh my goodness, look at this little t-shirt.
Oh, cool.
Very Uncle Jimmy.
Rockers.
Rockers, band legend.
Dun, 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 dun.
Say thank you. Bunny.
What's that?
So funny. It's just there. I love it.
So it's safe to say he loves this book.
Loves the book. Say
Loves
thank
the book.
Say thank you.
Can you say thank you, Liam?
Say bye-bye.
Can you say bye-bye? Okay. Bye-bye.